Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best welding tools is probably one of the most crucial aspects of achieving strong, durable welds. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, having the right equipment can significantly impact the quality and efficiency of your work. In this video, we'll dive into the essential welding accessories and tools that will help you create flawless welds every time. Number 5. DEKOPRO 160A MMA Welder. This welder utilizes advanced IGBT inverter technology. It is capable of welding various metals with improved reliability. The welder has an ETL certificate, ensuring safety. Each device undergoes strict inspection for reliability and efficiency. Features like anti-stick and hot start enhance its performance. It features a compact design with an easy carry handle. This makes it convenient for transport and storage, allowing you to use it wherever you need. This welder is designed to be energy efficient. It reduces damage to components and increases welding frequency, resulting in remarkable energy conservation. The MMA welder is suitable for welding stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, and other metal materials. It offers versatility for various welding projects. What we like. This welder utilizes advanced IGBT inverter technology, ensuring powerful and reliable performance. It's also ETL certified for added safety, giving you peace of mind while you work. If you're looking for a welder that combines power, safety, and efficiency for various metal types, this is the one for you. What people say. I weld cast and various types of metals. I do a lot of drive end, outer end bell housing for electric motors, gearbox and pump impeller repairs, and the arc on this little welder is mind-blowing. I've ran 7018 also, and again the smoothest arc start. I've even welded 308 stainless steel rod to build up material on the OD and ID of stainless steel impellers because the material just washes it down, so I'm able to build it up and turn it down on a lathe. Number 4. Strong Hand Tools Magnetic V-Pads Kit. This kit is designed for light-duty applications and tight spaces. It helps you build, hold, and position steel components with ease. The pads feature magnets on both the face and bottom. This allows the product to securely hold and position round, flat, and square parts. The kit includes 4 pieces, 2 2-inch pads with a 12 pounds pull force and 2 2.2-inch pads with an 18 pounds pull force. They are perfect for various substructure applications. Each V-pad is equipped with 4 rare earth magnets. These magnets provide a strong grip, ensuring your work stays in place. Please be aware of the heat warning. Avoid prolonged exposure to high heat, as it may demagnetize the rare earth magnets. What we like. These magnetic V-pads are designed for light-duty applications, making it easy to build, hold, and position steel parts. Each pad contains rare earth magnets for a strong hold. If you're working on substructure projects or need a reliable way to hold and position metal pieces, these V-pads are a must-have. What people say. Love having these so much I bought 2 sets. Works great especially with odd-sized material, round pipe, square tubing etc. Super helpful to my hot rod fabrication project. Magnets are strong. These magnets are convenient and valuable for welding. The clamp's flexibility allows for a large variety of holding angles. I took the advice of other reviewers and promptly removed the clamps from the materials right after tacking them in place. After performing 6 welds, the magnets retained their initial strength. These magnets make welding so much easier. They're very strong, stronger than you'd think. The jointed design makes them able to hold metal stock at odd angles. It's like having several extra sets of hands. Number 3. Deluxe Plus PM25 Welding Pliers Kit. This tool features a slag hammer chipper side, perfect for removing slag and debris after welding. It makes cleaning up your welds quick and easy. This is a must-have for any welder. The flat hammer with a scraper edge is designed for quick spatter removal. It helps to keep your work area clean and your welds looking professional. This feature saves you time and effort. The fine and coarse file nose is ideal for inner nozzle scraping. It helps maintain the nozzle's performance and extends its lifespan. This ensures optimal welding results. The cutting edge, chipper edge, and scraper edge are all induction hardened for durability. This ensures that it can withstand the rigors of welding. This makes it a long-lasting and reliable tool. It features an ergonomic comfort grip with a retention chain. This provides a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. The chain helps prevent loss and keeps it within reach. What we like. These Deluxe Plus MIG welding pliers are packed with features, including a slag hammer, scraper, and files for all your welding needs. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use, and the heat-treated construction guarantees durability. If you like a single tool that can handle multiple tasks, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I bought my pair about 2 years ago and have been using them about 5 days a week since then. They don't wiggle. The handle material is tough. Number 2. Forney Easy Weld 100 ST Welder Starter Kit. This kit has everything you need to get started. It includes a welder, a helmet, electrodes, a grinding wheel, a wire brush, and gloves. It's perfect for beginners. This kit is designed to be user-friendly and portable. The quick start guide will have you welding in no time. It's the ideal choice for novice welders. Don't let the size fool you. This machine can weld up to 1/4 inch of mild steel. It operates on 120 volts and has a 90 amp output, providing plenty of power for your projects. Weighing only 9.65 pounds, it's easy to move around. Take it to your project, reducing the risk of damaging your work. This makes it incredibly convenient. Click on the Forney name to see the full catalog. You'll find welders, abrasives, tools, and more. Explore all the options available to you. What we like. This Easy Weld Startup Kit is perfect for beginners, including everything you need to get started, from the welder to the gloves. The machine is also lightweight and portable, so you can take it to your project. If you are a novice welder or need a convenient, all-in-one solution, this kit is the ideal choice. What people say. It would be good for someone just learning how to weld or someone that just needed a small portable stick welder. This kit is awesome. Everything in the kit is high quality. Number 1. Forney 235 AC/DC Stick Welder. This Forney welder is ready to go right out of the box. Assembly is minimal, requiring only the handle to be attached. It's designed for easy setup and immediate use. Featuring DIN-style connections, this welder makes changing polarity and repairing cables simple. This design ensures ease of use and quick adjustments on the job. With an output of 30 to 235 amps, this welder handles materials from 24 gauge to 1/2 inch thick. It provides the power needed for a variety of welding tasks. The 15-foot cables and power cord create a comfortable working area. This allows the user to move freely and work efficiently on various projects. It boasts a duty cycle of 20% at 230 amps and 50% at 150 amps. This ensures reliable performance for mild steel, stainless steel, and cast iron applications when using the correct electrodes. What we like. This AC/DC stick welder is ready to go right out of the box, offering easy polarity changes and a large working envelope for comfortable welding. It is powerful enough to handle a variety of materials. If you need a versatile and powerful welder with a large working area, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Very durable unit, and it works well. I like that the leads use a DINS 25 connector, so swapping them around is easy. It is easy to use and I wanted a unit that would allow me to use AC and DC function. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.